Right, now we are in the bedroom. So we got, again, we're going to do actually 4 swipes across the top. We're going to start with Klondike here. He's about almost the tallest thing in the room. He's not got much on him. He's not too bad. Next is going to be this rod up here. Oh yeah, okay. And then the top of the door frames. All right. Next is going to be the headboard. The top of the heater. Right, windowsill. And the top of this heater. And finally, we'll get the bottom of the heater while I'm here. The bottom of this lamp. As baseboard by the door, is that what it was? Okay, so that concludes the master bedroom. Now we have the back office, and then after that will be the back porch art room.